Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Java method headers are tricky. We must find the correct way to return a book title from another class.
First, consider the access level needed for this method. Since we are calling it from a different class, we must use the public keyword to ensure it is visible and accessible. Next, look at what the method actually returns to the caller. Because the book title is stored as a string, our method header must specify string as the formal return type. An accessor method needs no input parameters. The parentheses should be empty, making option B the only perfect choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given information and check your steps carefully.